Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we are in FreeCAD. I will show you how we can measure the distances between these parts right here. So let's get straight into it. Now let's say I want to measure this right here. Now how we can do that? So here we have in this toolbar tools, click on that, and then you can find here measure. Also, you will see here this tool right here. This is the same thing, and it will open up the measurement tool. Now you can select here mode, what you want to measure. So let's go with distance free and select here this corner and this line here. And as you can see, now we have our measurement, the length of this side. What else we can do is maybe position. So let's see what will happen. Or maybe something radius or something like that. But doesn't apply right now. Angle. So we can try angle. So this is basically how we can measure some distances. Reset. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out, that you now know how you can measure. And yeah, if you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.